Joby Weeks is back, and he's not playing it safe. His latest film doesn't just surprise and entertain. It quietly confronts the idea of freedom itself. The story unfolds with restraint and tension, inviting viewers to question systems of power, due process, and what happens when time itself becomes a punishment. It's the kind of film that lingers long after the final frame fades to black. The release carries added weight given Weeks' personal circumstances. A Bitcoin pioneer and father, Weeks has spent years under strict pretrial restrictions tied to a long-running federal case related to early Bitcoin mining activities. He has not been convicted of a crime, yet remains limited in movement, communication, and work. That lived experience doesn't shout from the screen, but it's impossible to ignore. This isn't just a film. It's a reflection on patience, persistence, and what it means to keep creating when the system tells you to wait.